the RAM usage of your system changes by the minute, and that is because running processes all have different memory requirements. In essence, memory usage is based on how you use the system. When the memory fills up or is close to that point, the slowdowns that come with it are immediately noticeable. Compact RAM Cleaner looks to help you avoid it, clearing the redundant processes to boost your system. Per its name, the app features a compact, simple interface, packing all of its features on the main screen. Clearing your RAM is as easy as clicking on the designated button, and the operation will complete in a few seconds. During the process, I opened my task manager and saw the percentage of memory used decrease. There was also a notification informing me of the amount that was deleted. I found it quite intrusive, so I disabled it in settings. The program also has an auto cleanup function, whereby it would run the memory purge automatically after the usage reaches a certain threshold. This is especially useful when working with multiple apps. To further bolster that, the cleanup on startup ability also came in useful, as some unnecessary processes were cut down, reducing the memory tax. To complement that, the software could also automatically start upon system boot up, doing all of that in the background, requiring no input from you. The automatic features certainly make this a very attractive offering. The fact that you can tick the startup cleanup option, all the while disabling the notifications, provides users with very intuitive software. What's more, enabling the auto purge, which will run when the memory reached a certain load, will automatize the entire process for you. It's a do it then forget it affair, where the app requires little further input after the first contact. In conclusion, Compact RAM Cleaner is an intuitive, handy app that will speed up your system, helping you manage memory leaks more efficiently. See you next video.